Hi guys, hope you are all doing well. Today is my first YouTube video, so come give me some thumbs up. Subscribe also to this channel, that will make me very happy and that will encourage me for future videos. So today we are gonna craft together a simple street cable, you and I. To do this, you will need some few basic tools that you maybe already have at home. I just grabbed all my tools here, so I will show them to you. First, you will need a soldering iron, just like this. Then you will need some soldering wire that I grabbed from Amazon, a soldering iron cleaner, a pliers. Then you will also need a cutting pliers, a needle nose pliers, a wire stripper for the 3mm cable, a second wire stripper for the 4 strands that comes inside our original cable, a third hand, and of course a heat gun to shrink the heat shrinks. You will also need a smoke fan. So as you can see here, today I'm not gonna use it since it makes a lot of noise. So if you have just only one cable to solder, you can do without this fan, but you don't have to smell the fume. I don't know. In French we say fumée. So you don't have to smell of a fumée. It's really bad for your health. So if you have just one cable to solder, it's okay. But if you are gonna solder multiple cables, you need absolutely a fan. Obviously, I didn't say it previously, but you will also need a DIY kit just like this. You can find this kind of DIY kits on our store or also on other cable shops online. Alright, so let's do it. I already sleeved my cable since it's pretty easy, but takes a bit of time. If you don't know how to do it, please let me know in the comment section and I'll show you on another video. So first step, cutting the excess Techflex and paracord that you can see just here. Then take your wire stripper and strip only 1 centimeter of each side of your cable. Once it's done, press the sleeve on the cable that you can cut the excess. Both parts should look like this. Then place your strands in the order you will solder them. At Kat Koil, we solder using the wiring diagram that will appear on the screen. So black, green, white and red. I just cut a bit of strands since it's more easy than to solder. Then take your second wire stripper and remove 1/3 of each strand. Put your cable on the third hand and turn on your soldering iron. Once it reaches 280 degrees, you can start to solder each strand this way. Take your connector and apply some solder on each pin. Then take your cable and put the strands on the pins to solder the cable to the connector. Repeat the same process with your other connector. It is really important here to make very clean welds and not large blocks. If you do large blocks, they could touch the shells of the connectors and make the cable lose connection between your keyboard and your PC. I always apply some heat shrinks on the welds to ensure it is secured and that it won't touch the shells. So then I apply some heat on it. So then I take the shells. I start with this one and I put it this way up. Then I take the other shell and up, just put it up. You should hear a little when it's okay. So then I take my pliers and I close the two little joints that are on both sides. So I press in the center and then in both sides like this. So now your USB-C connector is closed. Let's move to the USB-A connector now. So I put it in the shell like this and then I close it this way. I take my pliers, this one, and I press in the center. And then I close the two little joints. I don't know what is the current real word. So apply your heat shrink on the closed connector. The heat shrink should go just upper the end of the shell, and then apply some heat. Take your heat gun and start to heat shrink without being too close, so remain at approximately 2 to 3 centimeters. Keep moving the gun like I do while heating up. For the USB-A now, take your pliers, your needle nose pliers, and just extend a bit the heat shrink that it can fit the USB-A connector. So then put it on the connector just like this. So the heat shrink should go just here, like this. So now you're done with your cute straight cable. If you have any question, please feel free to ask it under the video, so in the comment section, and I'll be really happy to help you. If you want to see any other kind of video, please write it down and I will see what I can do for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you a really nice day. Take care and we will see in the next video. Bye!